Today in this lecture I will discuss about data types in SQL. Database stores data in form of tables and table stores data in form of rows and columns. Here each data must have a data type, that is type of data. Different data types available in SQL are: the first one is char size. It specifies a fixed length character string. Its maximum size is 255 characters. Its default size is 1 byte. If you insert a value that is shorter than the column length, the oracle blank pads the value to the column length. For example, name char 50. If the data held in the variable name is only 30 characters in length, then the remaining 20 characters space is padded with blank characters. Next is varchar size or varchar2 size. This data type is used to store variable length alphanumeric data. Its maximum size is 2000 characters. One of the difference between this data type and the char data type, which is the previous data type, is that the values of varchar are non-padded. That is, the inserted values will not be padded with the spaces. For example, name 50. If the data held in this variable name is of 30 characters in length, then remaining 20 characters space is not padded with the blank characters and the memory space of 30 characters is used. Next is number. Here P stands for precision and S stands for scale. This data type is used to store fixed or floating point numbers. P determines total number of digits and S determines number of digits to right of decimal point. The number data type stores number data with precision indicator. If the scale is omitted, then its default value is 0, and if we don't use precision, then by default maximum value stored can be of precision of up to 38 digits. For example, price number 10,3. The variable price can store a number of 10 digits including decimal point and 3 digits after the decimal point. Next data type is long. It stores variable length character string up to 2 gigabytes. It can also be used to store binary data in ASCII format. The various restrictions on use of long are: a table cannot more than one long column. Next, long column cannot be indexed. Next, it cannot appear in where, group by and order by clause. Next, it cannot be used with SQL functions. Next data type is date. It is used to store date and time information, and the default format is DD, that is date, MON, that is month, and then YY, that is year. If you want to enter the date other than standard format, then you have to use appropriate functions. The time is stored in 24 hours format. The default date for date field is first day of current month. Next data type is raw or long raw. It is used to store binary data such as digitized picture or image. The data is loaded into the columns of this data type without any conversion. It can have a maximum length of 255 bytes. It can contain up to 2 GB of data. Next data type is LOB, that is large object. This data type allows storing of blocks of unstructured data such as text, images, video clips, and sound waveforms. It allows efficient, random, piecewise access to data. This is all about the various data types in SQL. Thank you.